I'm going to continue with what just cut off as other things, and we'll be talking about these later on in the semester. These are my measuring spoons. Most kitchens have a full set. Some things have disappeared, but you need to look very carefully at the markings. This is 1/8 teaspoon, this is 1/4 teaspoon, this is 1/2 teaspoon, and this is 1 teaspoon. These others go to tablespoons. Table is bigger than we'll call it a teacup. A table spoon is the same as 3 teaspoons. So there's 3 teaspoons sitting on the table. You can think of it that way. Whatever, there's a big difference between a teaspoon and a tablespoon, so make sure. The salt that I just put in the flour in the previous video is just 1/4 teaspoon for this recipe, and so I took my salt and I carefully but I can sort of shake it. I can use a knife if I want to, but I can sort of shake it to where I get just pretty even to the top, and that's the amount of salt that I need. I will do that again in a moment. I want to show you these other measuring. You've seen these measuring cups around. These are liquid measuring cups. These are the kinds of things that I pour in to where I get down even with it, and I look at the line to make sure that it goes right to the line. If I look from above, I'm not going to be getting accurate. If I look this way, I'm not going to be getting accurate. If I'm holding it, it may not be level. So I need to put it down on the counter, and I need to get down eye level and look at it. But this is for liquid, the kind of thing that I can't scrape off the top and level it off. I use these for liquid. I don't see that we're using these in this recipe today. We're using the dry measuring cups. And you'll see that they are labeled. This is a 1 cup. I happen to have a 3rd cup. It comes, usually you have a 4th, a 3rd, a 1/2, and then a 1 cup. And sometimes you have to use combinations of different ones to make it work. So we're going to continue with the recipe in just a moment.